To set up an Authorize Net hosted payment form, start by logging into your Authorize Net account and navigating to the settings page. Here you will find the option to create a hosted payment form. Click on this option to begin the setup process. First, you need to configure the payment form settings, including the payment methods you want to accept, such as credit cards or e-checks. You can also customize the form's appearance by adding your company's logo and choosing a color scheme. Next, you will need to set up the payment form's fields, including the customer's name, address, and payment information. You can choose which fields are required and which are optional. Make sure to include all the necessary fields to ensure a smooth payment process. After configuring the payment form settings and fields, you will need to generate the HTML code for the form. Authorize Net provides a hosted payment form HTML generator that creates the code for you. Simply copy and paste the code into your website's payment page. To test the payment form, navigate to your website's payment page and fill out the form with sample payment information. Submit the form to ensure it is working correctly and that payments are being processed successfully. Best practices for using an Authorize Net hosted payment form include ensuring the form is secure by using HTTPS and verifying that the form is compliant with PCI DSS standards. You should also test the form regularly to ensure it is working correctly and make any necessary updates to the form's settings or fields. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a secure and efficient hosted payment form using Authorize Net. This will help to streamline your payment process and provide a better experience for your customers.